You all must have heard of equity as the best performing asset class for investors. But what if I tell you that you can generate similar returns with lot lesser risk? Sounds like a deathly hollow, right? Well, it is easier than finding a unicorn in the forbidden forest. Welcome to a new series, Value Unlocked Under 3 Minutes. I'm Kunal and I'll be talking to you about the power of diversification and how you can generate higher returns by taking lot lesser risk. We all have been advised to invest into equities for the long term, and this asset class has given a return of about 14.35% annually for the last 30 years with a standard deviation of 33.15%, which we are going to consider as a measure of risk. So why not all equity, especially in the bull runs when the markets are rising every day? The answer is pretty simple. Equity is the best performing asset class this year. There could be years whereby gold outperform the other asset classes, and at the very same time there could be years when bonds outperform the other asset classes. Alright, now just imagine making a portfolio whereby you are allocating 1/3 of your portfolio in all these three asset classes which I just discussed, that is equity, gold and bond. With this portfolio, do you think you will even come closer to the returns which we spoke about equity, that was 14.35%? Well, yes. If for the same time period for 30 years, if you would have invested equally in gold, bond and equity, you would have generated a return of 13.95%, but with a much more lower standard deviation, that is 13.51%. Doing some simple math here, if you go all equity, you would be generating an excess return of 0.4%, but at the very same time, the risk increases by 2.45 times. Truth being said, diversification is definitely better now, given you might not generate that 0.4% excess return, but you'll be reducing the risk by 2.45 times. But how exactly to optimize your portfolio? When do you rebalance? Now the next question that arises is how much you should be investing into gold or bond or equity, and when you should be rebalancing your portfolio. For that, you must check out Valuationary's portfolio management course, and if you use the link that is attached in this video with the coupon code of value20, you would get 20% scholarship on that particular course of ours, and you learn everything about portfolio management. Goes without saying, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, especially the ones who have recently started investing. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.